With that, we shift our focus to some breaking news on the broadcast ahead of Assam visit. PM posts on X. He says, and I quote, looking forward to being in Kaliabor, Assam today for the Bhumi Pujan of key development works, including the 35-kilometer elevated corridor across Kaziranga. This will go a long way in safeguarding animals, particularly in the monsoon season. Now, during the program, Amrit Bharat trains will be flagged off, which will improve connectivity for the people of Assam. Going across to Cine News 18's Payal Mehta for more on this. Payal, a very good morning to you. Could you walk us through the agenda of Prime Minister's visit today?
Well, as far as the Prime Minister's agenda is concerned, the only agenda is development and welfare of the people of Assam. You saw the grand welcome that Prime Minister Narendra Modi got the moment he reached Guwahati yesterday, and the Bihu special dance that he witnessed at the Sarju Sai Stadium here in the capital city of Guwahati. Today is going to be a slew of development measures that the Prime Minister, in fact, will be inaugurating. Just a short while from now, 10:30 a.m. is the time that we are given to understand. The Prime Minister will be arriving at the venue where he, of course, will be inaugurating the Amrit trains. The Amrit trains are basically fast trains which are non-AC as well. Those are actually for the common man. So the common man can also cut short their distance in terms of timing, but at the same time also enjoy the same facilities without having to pay for the AC charges. So this has been part of Modi's development journey, and that is something which Ashwini Vaishnav as the Railways Minister has envisaged. But the one important project that the Prime Minister in fact is going to be inaugurating today is very, very special to the hearts of all the Assamese people. That is, of course, the 34-kilometer long elevated corridor that you are speaking about. The man and human crisis, the animal and human crisis is going to get a lot of benefit as far as that is really concerned, given the fact that, you know, multiple times when animals were chased down the road by fleeting cars, that is something which has led to a death of lot of animals, especially the rhino, which is of course the pride of Assam as well. So that's something which has been in the plans, in the works for the last couple of years. And Hemanta Biswa Sharma, of course, will be dedicating this to the people of Assam. So development and welfare is something which is of great significance, great importance, given the fact that, you know, this has been the journey that they've pursued. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always held the Northeast very, very close to his heart. Even though the Northeast is far away from Delhi, it's been always close to the Prime Minister's heart. And Ashtalakshmi has always been at the center of Prime Minister's focus. And Assam being the entry corridor to the east is something which holds a lot of significance in that respect as well. Elections aside, of course, these are promises that have been made by the government of Assam, which is seeking its third term in office, to the people of Assam as far as